Hey guys, it's Eddie with WTI, and today I want to share with you my Bowflex dumbbells. Now these things are amazing, literal. If you have limited space in your house, this is what you want if you still want to work out, because you don't need a rack with all the different dumbbells. So a couple of features about these dumbbells that I love and I want to share with you is the fact that you can change the weight all the way from 5 pounds, which is right here, to 52.5 pounds. And all you have to do is turn the knob. So let's say we wanted to do 20-pound dumbbells. You select 20 pounds, align them, then you're gonna grab the dumbbell and bring it out. And there it is. You can do a 20-pound curl just like that. These things are fantastic. As you can see, they come with their own base and they just slide down. And when you're finished and you want to lift up the entire thing, you just lock it by locking it right in the middle of the two numbers, any number, just like that. Then you can just lift up and move the entire unit. I love these things, and I think you will too. That's my point of view.